insect predator of unknown origin. Its speed and hunting abilities are unmatched. With its unique ability to turn completely invisible, it is able to sneak up on unsuspecting prey before carefully dispatching of them without a trace. By the time you hear its howl far off the distance, it's ready to. Okay, Badwer is one of the many entities originating from the toolbox, the sole culprit for the mass breakout that occurred at TASS. While its creation is unknown, that it possesses the anomalous ability to inject power virus engineered by machinery, gaining the ability to take full control of those infected machines, expanding its own strength and influence further. Wait, I forgot. Arthur is a French magician who had a deep connection with magic since birth, and was a popular celebrity. Before his incident, after one of his performances went particularly badly, Arthur let his emotions get. Nah, bro, just let me continue. His emotions to get the better of him, and restored to talking out his frustration on his entire audience. He now lives a life as a criminal on the run, too afraid to turn himself in and deal with the consequences of his actions. Okay, now we can finally. What? Yeah. Wait. The Harkin is a construct originating from an alternate dimension where noise draws in larger, more dangerous conflicts. After government scientists created a portal connecting their two universes together, it caught the attention of Harkin, who crossed to the other side and went to